Aero Afloat. Have you ever wondered why some sailboats feel effortless while others are a struggle to handle? What if there was a sailboat that combined lightweight design, high speed, and easy control all in one? The RS Aero, often referred to in discussions as Aero Afloat, might be the answer for sailors of every level. Designed by Joe Richards in 2014, this single-handed sailboat has taken the sailing world by surprise. Weighing only about 30 kilograms, it is extremely easy to move on land, yet powerful enough to glide across water with precision. Its lightweight fiberglass hull doesn't just make it fast, it makes controlling it much simpler, even in challenging winds. The RS Aero comes in multiple versions, from the RS Aero 5 for younger or lighter sailors to the RS Aero 9 for heavier sailors. Each rig option ensures that anyone, regardless of weight, can enjoy optimal performance without compromising safety or fun. With over 3,500 units sold worldwide, it has built a strong global community of racers and sailing enthusiasts. What sets this boat apart is not just speed, but the combination of durability and craftsmanship. In 2024, production was moved to Cowes on the Isle of Wight, emphasizing quality and sustainable building practices. This move ensured that every RS Aero maintains precision, reliability, and a high fun factor that makes it comparable to iconic designs like the Laser Dinghy. Whether you are an aspiring racer or a weekend sailor seeking excitement, the Aero Afloat proves that a well-designed boat can transform your sailing experience. Are you ready to take control of the water like never before? Call to action. Explore the RS Aero today and feel the difference in speed, control, and enjoyment on the water.